5 top fitness tips for beginners. Are you looking to start exercising and getting fit, but you don't know where to begin? In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 top fitness tips for beginners that will help you get and stay on the right track. Hello there, my name is Nordine Zouareg. I'm a 2-time Mr. Universe, a best-selling author, and an international high-performance coach. In this video, I'm going to share with you 5 top fitness tips for beginners that will help you get and stay on the right track. Whether you're just starting or have been working out for a short while, these tips will help you achieve your fitness goals. But first, please like and subscribe so others like yourself can benefit from the content videos like this one provide. Fitness is an essential part of life, and I know that for many folks out there, it can be difficult to get started, either for a lack of information or the abundance of it, which can be overwhelming. The following 5 fitness tips will help you make the process a lot easier and get you on the right track. Number 1, start slow and build up gradually. You're finally ready to get in shape and improve your fitness. But before you jump into a high intensity workout regimen, it's important to take things slow and start off gradually. This will help reduce your risk of injury and make sure you stick with your fitness goals long term. When you start a fitness routine, you don't want to go from 0 to 100 overnight, or you'll likely burn out quickly. Start with some basic exercises that you can easily do at home with little or no equipment. Once you've built up some stamina and confidence, you can move on to more strenuous activities like running, biking, or lifting weights. Remember, fitness is a journey, not a destination. Take it one step at a time and enjoy the process. Number 2, find an activity you enjoy. Just because fitness must be part of a healthy lifestyle, it doesn't mean it can't be fun. In fact, finding an activity you enjoy is one of the best ways to ensure that you keep up with your fitness routine. And there are so many options out there, from walking in the park to playing tennis. There's always something for everyone. So if you're not enjoying your current fitness routine, don't despair. Just find an activity that you look forward to doing, and you'll be on your way to better health and well-being. Number 3, set realistic goals. Don't try to accomplish too much too soon. Set small, achievable goals and celebrate each one as you reach it. Trying to accomplish too much too soon is a recipe for disaster, both in fitness and in life. When it comes to fitness, setting small, achievable goals is key. Not only will this help you stay on track, but it will also give you a sense of accomplishment as you reach each goal. And what's more motivating than seeing results? So instead of setting your sights on an unrealistic goal like losing 50 pounds in a month, start small. Set a goal to lose 5 pounds in a month, or schedule 2 workouts 3 times a week. And as you reach each goal, celebrate. Fitness is not just about physical health. It's also about mental, emotional, and spiritual fitness. It's about being in equilibrium. So give yourself a pat on the back each time you reach a milestone. Number 4, get a workout buddy. An exercise partner can help you stay motivated and accountable. Find someone who has similar fitness goals and schedule regular workout sessions together. If you're looking to get fit, there is no need to go it alone. A fitness partner can be a great way to stay motivated and on track with your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or just improve your overall health, having someone to help you stay accountable can make all the difference. Finding a workout partner with similar fitness goals can help in keeping you both motivated. In addition, scheduling regular fitness sessions together can help to ensure that you both stick to your fitness routine. Number 5, reward yourself. They say that fitness is a journey, not a destination. I can't agree more. It can be a tough journey. It's hard enough to get started on the path to fitness, but it's even harder to stick with it. That's why it's important to reward yourself for making progress. Instant rewards can be powerful. A new workout outfit or a massage can be just the thing you need to stay motivated. Fitness isn't all about reaching your goals. It's also about enjoying the journey and taking care of yourself along the way. There you have it. These 5 fitness tips will help you get and stay on the right track. I hope this video was very helpful. Please like, subscribe, and comment. Also, if you are interested in using my services like private coaching, speaking at your event, or experiencing an amazing wellness retreat at award-winning resort spas such as Canyon Ranch or Savannah, please visit my website at NordineZouareg.com. NordineZouareg.com. And remember, there can be no true and long-lasting fitness without inner fitness. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.